By mid-21st century, humanity faces an unprecedented longevity paradox. Our lifespans stretch beyond a century, yet chronic disease still steals our brightest years. What if we could rewrite biology itself, not merely to live longer, but to live healthier? To remake health from the skin inward? LifeTailor Agent awakens on your wrist, scanning 1 billion biomarkers every second. Then, microscopic warriors take up arms. Nanobots pulse through your veins at 1,000 beats per second, targeting diseased cells with surgical precision. Next, an atlas of you unfolds in the cloud. Your data updated each minute, guiding every meal, every move, every medicine. Finally, life itself becomes a design. 100-year-olds sprint through parkways, vertical farms feed bustling cities, drones deliver care in moments, not days. This is LifeTailor Nexus, where we don't just extend life, we perfect it.